Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Bitwarden Chrome extension for password management. If you want to save password, autofill logins and keep your account secure, the extension is super helpful. So let's get started. Firstly open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Bitwarden, the first one. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once installed, you will see the Bitwarden icon near the Chrome toolbar. Here you will see it will be installed. Now click on it and create a free Bitwarden account or log into your existing account. Like I don't have account, so I will create a new account. Click on sign up. Enter your email address. Here you will see we have sent a verification to link your email. Click to create your account and get instant access. Now we will verify the link. Now click on create account, enter password. Here you will see your new account has been created. Here you will see skip to web app or open Bitwarden extension. Skip. Now your extension is all set for save passwords. Enter the password, then click on unlock. Here you will enter the username, password, folder. It will save automatically. The next time, whenever you want to save any password, you just click on Bitwarden app or it will automatically save the password for you. And that's it. That's how you can use the Bitwarden Chrome extension for password management. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.